What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Qatar 2022 token. Now I saw this token for pre-sale on Pink Sale recently, then I saw it getting some new central exchange listings, and now I'm looking at the price on CoinMarketCap, and this token is up 174.85% today. This token's doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So there's a few different ways to get this token. First of all, it is on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get it off PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Qatar 2022 token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their official webpage, which is Fwctoken.io. Now you might have to set slippage because if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And yeah, so FWC, by the way, is the ticker symbol for this token. On CoinMarketCap, they have a full CertiK audit listed on here as well. So they have been audited. They also have a full white paper on here that you could check out. But yeah, besides that, if you want to get the token off a centralized exchange, you can get it off some of the lesser central exchanges here. They got LBank listed on here, Bitmart, CoinTiger, Big One is another one. So those 4 central exchanges. And it's just about to be listed on Hotbit. So Hotbit is back up and running now. They're getting some new listings, and this Qatar 2022 one is going to be listed on there. I do have a Hotbit referral code down there. Hotbit's been a little sketchy lately, so just, definitely do your own research about Hotbit first, because they did freeze trading for a couple weeks there, and it basically annoyed everybody. So yeah, take that Hotbit referral code down there with a grain of salt, but you're welcome to use it if you want. So they have the BSC scan listed on CoinMarketCap, as well as a Twitter, a Telegram, GitHub, white paper, price chart, contract address, CertiK audit, webpage. According to their BSC scan, they have 20,807 holders, 241,000 transfers, 9 decimal places on this token, and it says total supply, that is a million, billion, trillion, 200 quadrillion tokens. So that's a lot of tokens there. All their info, all their socials and stuff are also listed on their BSC scan. You can find a contact email, Medium, Reddit, Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, full white paper, and CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So they have a 30-page white paper that you could check out. Lots of cool pictures on it. Shows all the teams. Obviously, Qatar is where they're having the World Cup in 2022, and so that's why this token is popular. There was a lot of soccer, football-related tokens all coming out at once. They kind of seized after a while, and this one seems to be one of the ones that's doing the best out of all of the soccer-related tokens. So FWC is a self-staking token that has its ownership renounced and given to the community upon its creation. This decentralization of power has allowed FWC to flourish as a 100% community-driven project with markedly engaged holders and rapid growth on a daily basis. Released February 10th, 2022 on the Binance Smart Chain network, the FWC project has been built and improved upon by volunteers within the community since its inception. Graphic designers, writers, web developers, influencers, marketers, data analysis, translators, and more have contributed their talents to help FWC grow into an inspirational model of community-driven success. The price has become a unique social experiment in which the investors are integrated into the project both from a community and developmental standpoint. With so much progress achieved by its community in such a short amount of time, FWC stands as a solid milestone in this progressive, exciting age of the social blockchain. So FWC is safe by design. Its ownership is renounced, with each buy and sell automatically contributing to the liquidity pool that is locked forever. Furthermore, half of the total supply was burnt into a dead address in the project's beginning. It is impossible to modify the contract, and it's impossible to pull liquidity from it. The team behind this token is a fully volunteered team. No pre-sale was conducted. I thought I saw this token listed on Pink Sale, so I guess there was no pre-sale, allowing for a fair launch. Maybe they mean pre to pink. I thought it was on Pink Sale, but anyways. Looks like they have a tech rate audit as well, too. So, yeah. Let's see here. They have audit results on here that you can check out. It says no high severity issues, no medium severity issues, no low severity issues, no ownership privileges. So you can check that out. That's their tech rate audit. They also have the full CertiK audit on CoinMarketCap that you can check out. So it says transparency is a big feature here with the team, and then also community wallet. So as a community-driven project with no dev wallets, the FWC team opted to create a community wallet that members can donate into to further build the project. So they have a bunch of different listings. Asbit coming up, CoinsBit, CoinMarketCap, CoinTiger, Unirocket, Price Bot Investments, all sorts of cool stuff on here. Token allocation pie chart, 72.6% of the tokens were burned, 7.5% went to marketing, and 19.9% went to Pink Sale. So use cases, it's got on here, we're going to have FWC Farm and beta version coming soon, FWC Charts, FWC Tracker, and yeah, so the FWC Swap Alpha, it says, will be coming soon. They have this lottery feature too, where they give away money to people. And yeah, besides that, doesn't look like much else on here. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And make sure you guys check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.